Simple Chinese Conversation, Lesson 4. Today, we continue learning about simple Chinese conversations. The topic today is time and numbers. Please subscribe and check out previous videos for more lessons. This is how we say good morning to each other. 早上好.
早上好。
This is how we say good afternoon to each other. 下午好.
下午好。
This is how we say good evening to each other. 晚上好.
晚上好。
The following slides are on the numbers 1 to 12 and how to pronounce them. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、十一、十二。This is the sentence structure for asking about the current time. The question is 现在几点了? Which means what time is it now? Literally, the characters mean now, what time? The answer is 现在 plus the time of day plus the time. We will show an example of this on the following slides. This is the example response. 现在早上11点, which means right now it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Literally, the characters mean now, morning, and 11 o'clock, which matches the sentence structure shown on the previous slide. 现在几点?
现在早上11点。
现在几点?
现在下午3点。
现在几点?
现在晚上8点。